Welcome to our discussion about the Special Enrollment Exam, aka the Enrolled Agent Exam, and the review program that you can find here at MyCPE ONE. My name is Jason Dinesen, and I'll be taking you through this discussion. So, who am I? I am an enrolled agent. That's my picture there. I really do look like that. I just happen to have the buzz cut now. I didn't in that picture. But I've been an enrolled agent since 2009, so I've been in your shoes. I remember taking the exam at Prometric. I have been practicing since then. At times, I've prepared 150 to 200 tax returns in a year. I've kind of given up my practice now and focus on teaching. So I teach the enrolled agent review here at MyCPE ONE. I also teach various continuing education courses here as well. And for a time, I was quite active in the Iowa Society of Enrolled Agents. I've since cycled off, but I was heavily involved with that, including society president for a number of years. So I come at this, with a lot of on the street or in the field experience that I bring to a lot of our discussions here. So let's talk about some things relating to the special enrollment exam, the EA exam. So if we back up, the technical name is the special enrollment exam. Informally, we'll talk about the EA exam. When you hear EA exam, we're talking about the special enrollment exam. Now, one of the questions that comes up a lot is, should I get the EA designation or should I get a CPA designation? I found that sometimes this can be a touchy subject to talk about and tricky sometimes. We talk in a little bit about how EA is more attainable. But if we stick on this slide here, well, we do say EA is more attainable, but we talk about that more in a little bit. EA is great if you know you want to just specialize in taxation. You want to deal with US taxes. That could be tax preparation, it could be tax advising, it could be tax representation, meaning that you defend people who are being audited. CPA allows you to work in tax as well, but also in other aspects of accounting. So if you're interested in audit or financial type of accounting, being a CFO, working your way up to that, CPA is probably better. That being said, some of it depends on where you are on your journey. The CPA, a number of states have been loosening CPA requirements, making it easier to get the CPA designation. But it's still, you have a lot of hoops you have to jump through to become a CPA. And this is my personal opinion, but I've always felt like, if you're still in college or just out of college and you're thinking, should I get my CPA or not? I would say go for it. When you get a little bit older, though, past college, then it's not quite so easy to make that decision. Maybe CPA is right, but EA is certainly more attainable. And in the tax world, it allows you to do everything that a CPA can do.